ResMed, too pricey. Transcend, I want more. Philips, don't get me started. Luna G3, tell me more. The Luna G3 costs considerably less than top brand models, yet it still has many of the features you've come to expect from the top end. So let's take a look. The G3 is somewhat bulky at 10.4 by 5.7 by 4.5 inches, but its weight is only 3.75 pounds and it comes in a carry case, so traveling with it occasionally is still an option. Its noise level is a respectable 26 decibels and the chamber can take about 12 ounces of water, so plenty to get you through the night. The water chamber uses a simple click in, click out system for removing and reattaching it, and it can be filled by simply lifting the lid even if it is still attached. The large heating plate provides quick heating and the unit has a preheat option too, so with a bit of forethought you can get humidification as soon as you go to bed. The chamber is very easy to clean and is dishwasher safe as well. The G3 has integrated tube heating and ships with a heated tube, which is a nice perk. Plus, it has an auto setting that adjusts the humidification level based on the moisture in the surrounding air. The tube outlet will accept any standard tube, and there is a port for an oximeter too, although you have to buy that separately. The unit's PM 2.5 filtration system is more effective than standard filters, and many users find that the large on-off button, big screen, and easy-to-use click dial simple and intuitive. In terms of functionality, the Luna G3 has all the usuals: ramp, expiratory pressure relief, mask leak testing, and auto on and off. But it also has a few extras: an auto setting for ramp which detects sleep onset, a day tracker for CPAP consumables, a tube drying option, and on auto mode, the algorithm uses the last 5 nights of data to tailor your pressure to your sleep pattern. The G3 offers several ways to access your data, including an SD card, a scannable QR code, web-based software, and a data app. But if you want automatic data monitoring and compliance, make sure you get the cellular modem model, the LG3600, to allow remote access. To sum up, the Luna G3 is a mid-priced but fully functional at-home CPAP device that is a strong option for those that don't need to travel with it too much. It provides a user-friendly experience without compromising on features, and it works with all your favorite third-party accessories as well. We're really excited to be carrying this machine at Respshop.com, so check the link in the description below for more information, including current pricing. And until next time, friends, sleep tight.